Okay, so today we are riding the CFMOTO 800NK, so the naked bike with the KTM 790 engine. So let's see. First impressions, this one doesn't have the quick shifter, which I think for a bike like this is very annoying. But yeah. And I was trying to find in the menu where I could turn off the traction control and I couldn't immediately find it. So let's see if this thing is, if you're able to wheelie this thing. Oh shit, the burbles in the exhaust, fuck, so good. Yeah, this is a nice bike, you can just play with it. I think for doing like bigger trips is also fine because the seating position is really good. Don't have any issues with it at all. I'm 1m88 and yeah, fits really good. Or at least I fit really good on it. Oh man, this exhaust is so good. For a stock exhaust these days. Oh, really nice. The Chinese know what they are doing. Wonderful. Yeah, nice. But to be honest, CFMOTO just put a fucking quick shifter on this bike, or actually on every bike with this engine, or every bike that is at least a little bit sporty. Just put a quick shifter as standard on it and make a little bit of a difference from KTM, because KTM is doing this little stupid rules or things where you can have all the options for free in the first 1,000 kilometers or something, and then you need to pay for it. So you have the quick shifter like physically on your bike, but you need to pay for the software after 1,000 kilometers. Come on, guys. CFMOTO can make, in my opinion, a difference here. Like, say, okay, we have this bike, these things are available, and at least the options that that everybody wants, like a quick shifter, cruise control, like it's on the bike, we give it for free. It's or not for free, it's just in the price of the bike. And at least they can already make a little bit of a difference with KTM over there, because I think price-wise there's not a very big difference anymore. So I think if you're looking for a new bike and having to spend some money, I think a lot of people will say like, yeah, I'm just gonna spend 1,000, 1,500 more and buy the KTM and have the original product, let's say. It's a pity I cannot really test this bike in the twisties, because where we are doing the test drive there are no really not really nice roads. But judging by the feel of this bike, how light it feels, I think that is not going to be an issue. It's going to do it very well. Yeah, I need to get used to this bike a little bit, because the gas response is very smooth, but just different than I'm used to. Can't really say this is bad or something. Just different. Whoa! This, I think, doesn't have traction control at all. Just give it a handful of throttle and yeah, it didn't do anything. It was just slipping. So that's maybe also something I need to check. The sound is addicting on this bike. It's really good. I'm gonna put it in street mode. Oh, exit cruise control, that's annoying. Put it in street and see how this behaves. I can still wheelie it on street. Throttle response is a bit more manageable. Feels, for me, feels more like what I'm used to riding. This is more like a smooth gas response. Maybe this is one of the bikes that you actually want to ride in street mode on the street. Usually you're just your brain says, okay, put it in the most radical mode and go. Maybe this is on a bike like this, it's better to put it in street. Yeah, you see, there is vibration in the handlebars, for sure, but doesn't feel annoying to me. It's also easy to shift from the different riding modes, because in some bikes it takes quite a while before the shifting. Not in this case. Just turn off the cruise control, close your throttle, push the button, puff, and immediately you're in a different mode. So that's quite good. Enjoyable bike. Yeah, nice. That's it, we're back.